The ever-popular Light Puff is now available in an LED version from Lithonia Lighting by Acuity Brands. They're ideal for multifamily and light commercial spaces, utility rooms, kitchens, and hallways, wherever a lot of light is desired in a concentrated space.
This low-profile 4-foot surface mount linear product features a durable white acrylic diffuser to provide your home or work area with widespread uniform lighting in the energy-saving form of an LED. The fixture has the equivalent brightness of two 32-watt fluorescent light bulbs. It has a long life up to 50,000 hours while consuming a fraction of the energy. There are no bulbs to replace, reducing operating costs. It also works well in environments that require lights to be on 24/7.
Installation is quick and easy. The one-piece contemporary designed wraparound lens softens appearance for improved aesthetics and ease of removal for cleaning and maintenance. See the difference that quality ambient lighting can make in your space with the LED Light Puff from Lithonia Lighting by Acuity Brands.